finally made it down to Perdido Key, Florida in our new RV. We just bought this year a Jayco North Point 377 RLBH rear living bunkhouse, and we absolutely love it. So this is the first time we've ever gone out with a fifth wheel. We had a travel trailer for the past 2 years, so we have been RVing for quite some time. But we decided to do an upgrade. Our kids like going, and we like going, and the puppies like going. So we have 2 puppies. We have 2 Boston Terriers, Kilo and Tux. And so I thought today I would take a few minutes because we got everything set up and organized finally. It takes a lot of work to get a camper organized, especially when it's brand new. It's like moving into a new home. But I thought I'd take the opportunity today to walk you through having it all set up and kind of what it is, where we're living for the week and many weeks to come. I already have several trips planned, and we do love Florida, so this was a haul, but we're excited. And so now I'll take you through. We're going to start with the living room. So coming into the living room, one of our favorite areas to relax at night, or if it's raining or we're watching TV, this is our area. Terry likes to sit on this side, and I sit on this side. I didn't want to say right or left. So we do like it. There's a bunch of charging ports, and the center console lifts up so we can cuddle if we want to. And it's got, I don't know if you can see the buttons very well, but it does do massage, and it's heated, and obviously it reclines, and there are lights that come out from underneath it. That plastic on the bottom of the chairs is removable. I have to take a hair dryer to it. Maybe I'll post a video on how to remove that. I don't think everybody knows how to take those off. But you have to use a hair dryer to take off the plastic because it's kind of sewn in. But we are getting all settled. This is a queen sofa, and it folds out so you can make a bed out of it. And then over here is some storage compartments for like dog toys or blankets or pillows. There's one on each side. And up above the couch is a whole bunch of storage. So they're really deep, and it's really, really good for storing stuff that you know isn't going to move around a lot in transit. So I've got all my containers, so chips, bread, things like that are all up there. You don't want anything heavy because things shift around a lot during transit, and you don't want anything to break that glass. I have seen other people post videos where the glass has been broken when they got to their destination. So we do have a ceiling fan, which Terry loves, not me so much. Over here on the entertainment section, we have a fireplace, which is really nice. I do have it all decorated, and I make Terry move them every time we go to watch TV because underneath here, there's a switch right here, and out comes the TV. So they call that a televator, and it actually goes up and down pretty quickly. So the TV's up there, and then we have places for Xbox, electronics, DVDs, and so forth up top. And that is the whole living room. We love it. It's very cozy. I love the rug. There's our puppies and their beds. They have lots more room than they used to have. And up next, we'll go over to the kitchen. Moving on to the kitchen. This is really, really, really neat. So this comes out, and it's on a sliding door that goes in, but it's a way to extend the kitchen island and make more room. So that was another great point. The other great thing is I have a full oven. I was so excited when I saw this. And don't laugh, but I love to make turkey, and I can actually fit a whole turkey in there, so pretty pumped. My coffee Keurig area, and Terry got me a new wine glass. Corks are for quitters. And to complement my wine glass, up above is wine rack. In my pantry, got it pretty organized. There is a light that comes on automatically, which is nice. And I did put in the anti-slip pads, and then that's my pots and pans. I'll cover that in another video on cooking in an RV. Obviously I have several drawers. This is a trash can, which is nice. It's built in. Coming around. Underneath the sink is awesome because it's on a pull-out drawer. More storage. This also can be replaced with a dishwasher if you want to. It's very small, probably not going to do that. And we obviously have a full-size fridge. And then pivoting back around is the dinette. So this is where Terry is working. He's all set up here. This does pull out and you can have a 4-person table. And that's just about it for this area. And next we will cover the bunk room. I think my puppies like being in the video. Coming into the bunk room, it's off of the kitchen. This is where I'm hanging out most of the time, but when our kids are with us, they will be in here. So this is a top bunk bed, and then this pulls out into a sleeper sofa as well. There's a couple drawers for storage, and then my favorite part is my desk. So this is where I'm hanging out, and then up here is connections. You can put an Xbox or whatever you want up there. But I absolutely love my desk. I'll just show you a little bit real quick. Like in here is all kinds of storage built in to the drawers. Another really cool feature is this is a pantry or closet. It can be either one. If you look up there, you can see the rack and everything for clothes. And if you can tell through the video that all the way on the other side is another door that goes to the hallway, and that is out to the main door, which is cool because it goes all the way through. And then up here is more storage. I have so much storage, I don't even need this much storage right now. So again, on another video, one of the things that I'm going to cover is what it's like to be a part-time RVer versus planning to be a full-time, because we are not a full-time RV crew. So this is the door on the other side that I just talked about. So it goes all the way through, which makes it very handy for when you are loading the camper. And we'll continue on into the bathroom and bedroom. So actually, before we go to the bathroom and bedroom, I wanted to show you the other area, which is great for kids. There's a little ladder right here, which pulls out. And then up here, which right now I'm just using it for storage, is a whole nother queen size bed, bunkhouse. And let me tell you, my kids are fighting over who's gonna get this one. Now we can move on to the bathroom and bedroom. So the bathroom, I absolutely love. I love the shower so much. It has a removable shower head, and it's just so cute. I love the little teak bench, and just the little accents. Everything that they put different places. Oh, there I am. Hi. Is just really, really nice. So then we have these storage compartments. Let me turn the lights on. And they're super deep. Probably can't see all the way back in there, but they're really deep. I don't even use half of the space, but it's really nice. It goes all the way down. The only thing I would say that I would wish they would do differently, and then it's a towel rack, is I wish they would have put doors on that so that way things don't fall out. But otherwise, absolutely love my bathroom. And then right off the bathroom is the bedroom. So you can see me. Hello. We have a king size bed, and again another puppy. That does open up behind the bed as another blind. These have really nice blackout roller shades. The mattress is actually memory foam, so that's really a big plus coming straight from the manufacturer. Normally the mattresses are pretty not very good whenever you are getting an RV. So, all right, then we go into another big selling point for me, which was a walk-in closet. It is huge. Both slides open up. The sensors for the lights automatically come on. I have an area for washer and dryer prep if I want to put a stackable washer and dryer. It is actually true stackable, so it's the bigger washer and dryers, which is nice. And the other thing that was really cool is it has a laundry hamper. So that's nice. Coming around, accent lights are everywhere. And this is not decorated for a reason. You can see Terry out there. He's working on the outside. But this is a big selling point too. So in here, this lifts up for more storage. And that is our camper. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you'd like to follow me, please click the follow button below for the channel Backing It Up RV Life. Thank you.